Taking a look at Kada. So Kada had a really nice bounce a couple hours ago actually. So if you guys have been following the channel, we mentioned how if Kada was going to be bullish, we needed to hold the 618. Whether or not it did, obviously, is unpredictable, but you did end up holding. And once you broke through our major black resistance at 56 cents, you immediately shot up through to the next one. And of course, wherever everything always gets stuck, the 618 from the high to the low. So it's definitely a step in the right direction. There's no denying that. Um, but unfortunately, it is still technically bearish. You guys can see that the major downtrend is still in play. Now, is Kada always going to be bearish? Of course not. I think in the big picture, at some point in time, Kada probably will end up going back to its all-time high, probably higher. It's just, there's just so much resistance, you know? So we'll keep taking it step by step. You can see from the high to the low, you smacked right into the 618 at 68 cents. So obviously we can leave that marked. I'll just drag this up, this, back. Actually, I don't know why it's not cooperating. Here we go. We'll mark this, and then what I'll actually do is drag this up to the 382. So what we want to see for Kada to have a step in the right direction to flip bullish. Actually, you can see it's already happening from the low to the high. You're sitting on the 382. This would be the most bullish scenario, right? Where it holds the 382 as support and then continues higher. So if Kada ends up losing 63 cents, I'm gonna actually pull this down to 58 cents. It is a very harsh drop, okay? But 58 cents is the lowest Kada can go and still be bullish. So if at any time you do see Kada fall below 58 cents, that means that this is just another retracement and you are going to come back down and take out the low yet again. All right, so 63 cents would be your moon boy scenario where it ends up uh, spiking up again. If this ends up spiking up and you double top at 68 cents, you are going to see a very, very massive crash back to the downside. All right, so in summary, 68 cents is that price to beat for Kada to continue the momentum. You would spike all the way up here to about 74, and then we'll have to reassess the situation. But again, I mean, if you can stay over 63, that would be really good. Could it be 61? Sure, I'm not going to draw every single scenario like this. All I'm saying is, in the big picture, 58 cents needs to be the bottom if it does get down that low, for any chance of it being bullish. But you are on the 382 right now, so there is another shot at a push higher. That's pretty much it. None of this is financial advice.